For years, Rajiv played by the rules, punctual, present, and consistently delivering. He didn't just survive the 9 to 5, he mastered it. But behind the steady paycheck was a fire, a calling, a dream to build something of his own. From employee to entrepreneur, from paycheck to passion. Freedom fuels growth, but it takes focus to manage operations, wisdom to make the right tech choices, and resilience to stay lean without falling behind. That's where we come in. We understand your goals, your vision, your hustle. We recommend the tools that fuel your growth, not fight it. Thinking about implementation? We make it seamless. Need ongoing support? We've got you covered. You lead the vision, we'll power it with the right technology. Because the journey from employee to entrepreneur deserves a partner that gets it. Let's move forward with purpose and build smarter together.